Why, hello there, everybody. So today I figured I would tackle a Disney copycat recipe, and I'm pretty stoked because I saw someone on Instagram make it. So this is from, and I love to advertise other blogs and websites. So this is from the pickypalette.com. And today we are going to attempt to make the delicious Jack Jack Num Num Cookie. First, you're gonna need some flour, and then you will need some butter, eggs, sugar, brown sugar, chocolate chunks, vanilla extract, salt. Oh yeah, super salty. And I definitely forgot baking powder. Here you are going to use 1 cup of brown sugar in addition to a 1/4 cup of brown sugar right after. And then that will be followed by a 1/4 cup of regular sugar. Next, you're going to put in your 2 sticks of butter. Just a word of caution, have them sit out of the fridge for maybe 20 minutes or so, maybe a little longer, so that way they are softened and not straight out of the refrigerator. Next step are your 2 eggs. So you're gonna go ahead and put those right into your mix. Nice and easy. 1 and number 2. Up next is your vanilla extract. Now you wanna make sure you're using the tablespoon measurement, and you're gonna do 2 of these into the mix. Next step is going to be your flour. Now I did use pre-packaged flour. Each packet equals 1 cup. If you're interested in these, just let me know and I can tell you the brand. They're also gluten-free, which is really nice. So you're going to pour those into your mix and get a mixin'. Up next are your final dry ingredients. This includes the baking soda in addition to the salt being placed into the mixture. And then once you've mixed this, you will gradually start adding the chocolate chunks, as you'll see in the next clip. Taking this ice cream scoop, and I am going to scoop my dough and put it on my sheet with parchment paper. So just gonna form it a little and then Poop. Look at that. Boom. End result is right here. Ta-da! I'm pretty eager to try them. They look delicious. Shout out to the Picky Palette for such a wonderful, easy, and what looks like very picturesque recipe. Now, one thing I did not do is I did not use the baking cups. I decided to just do standard cookies. I didn't want to deal with baking cups, nor did I want to go buy any. So saving money. But they look delicious. All right, here we go. The ultimate taste test. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm also sporting my Rugrats shirt. Even though Rugrats are not Disney, Angelica Pickles would be so excited for these cookies. Maybe Angelica Pickles should meet the Incredibles and get those Jack Jack Num Num cookies. This one's just so perfect. I don't want to eat it, but here I go. I'm not even hungry. Look at the inside. 10 out of 10 recommend the Picky Palette Disneyland Jack Jack Num Num cookie copycat recipe. 100%. A+. Hopefully you get to try these delicious num nums at home.